I'm Melanie, and today I'm going to show you how to camouflage with Colorescience. I have hyperpigmentation, dark circles under my eyes, and I have red spots. With Colorescience, I can solve all of these problems. The first product in the beauty routine is Even Up Clinical Pigment Perfector SPF 50. Not only does it help to camouflage my hyperpigmentation, but it also helps to treat my hyperpigmentation. And softly apply it all over my face. I'm going to blend it the whole time. Not only is it going to mattify, it gives me that SPF 50 coverage that I need to prevent further damage. It also helps to camouflage all that hyperpigmentation and the dark circles under my eyes. Also helps camouflage that redness that I have in my skin too. And as I'm blending, you can see them all starting to kind of disappear and diffuse. The Colorescience Corrector Palette is the second step in this routine. I absolutely adore this product. It is one of my favorite products that Colorescience has to offer. It can camouflage just about anything, from dark circles, hyperpigmentation, red spots. It is an absolute must-have if you have anything that you need to camouflage on your skin. The first two colors are really good for camouflaging redness. They're also really good, you can blend them together and use them even as foundation. The last three are actually really good for camouflaging hyperpigmentation, and you can also use them for contouring, eyeshadow, eyebrows, everything else. So I'm actually going to use the first three to start to camouflage my red spots. And as you can see, they're already disappearing. So now I'm going to start camouflaging the dark circles under my eyes. And I'm just going to pat the product in and around my eye, camouflaging my hyperpigmentation. And you can already see it starting to disappear. My eye area is starting to look brightened and lifted. Still camouflaging those bags. You can't even tell that I have hyperpigmentation anymore. The third product in my beauty routine is the pressed foundation. I love this because it gives me adjustable coverage. I can use a brush with it to get really natural coverage, or I can use a sponge with it to get more of a nighttime look. So I'm gonna go with a more natural look, and I'm gonna use the kabuki brush with this pressed compact. So I'm just gonna go ahead and move it around the compact, and then slowly buff, concentrating on areas where I have the hyperpigmentation, and the Corrector Palette just buffing those areas out, and then towards the hairline. And this is gonna blend out the Corrector Palette that I just applied, and it's also gonna give me that additional coverage that I need to cover all of those spots that I had previously. The final step in my camouflaging routine is actually the setting mist. It's really great because it helps to set the minerals and it makes it look a lot more natural, so I'm ready to go for the rest of the day. So you want to do 3 passes of continuous pumping. And that's going to set my minerals and my makeup for the rest of the day. What I bring with me on the go is the Colorescience Sunforgettable. It's an SPF 50 mineral sunscreen. It comes in this easy to use brush, and it's not gonna ruin what I just did to cover up all that hyperpigmentation. I can brush it on throughout the day. It's gonna prevent further hyperpigmentation, and it's also gonna touch up my makeup. It only takes me a few minutes to do. Look how I looked before and look how I look now. These products make me feel amazing.